Today I'd like to show you a unique product we developed to allow you to build a trailer that perfectly fits your needs, all at the incredible value you've come to expect from Harbor Freight. It's the configurable Haulmaster 5x10 utility trailer. And the most amazing thing is, all you need to customize it is a ratchet and socket. The trailer comes as a base kit with everything you see here: a 5x10 flatbed, 13-inch radial tires, A-frame coupler-mounted 2,000-pound jack, integrated wiring, recessed lighting, and a wraparound rail accessory system. The trailer has a payload capacity of 2,000 pounds and is fully DOT compliant. Best of all, we offer modular engineered accessories such as a top rail kit, ramps, ramp storage, and loading stabilizer jacks. With these accessories and Harbor Freight's hundreds of other hauling and towing products, you can configure a trailer that's exactly what you need or reconfigure it when your needs change. So stick around and I'll explain how this trailer doesn't just save you money, but it's a better product with innovative features that you'll only find at Harbor Freight. Most of what makes this such a unique trailer is the full strength frame design. Unlike other trailer designs, the Haulmaster custom trailer doesn't come with or need a top rail. Other trailers have a welded on top rail. This means you can't use a forklift to load sheet goods or other items directly onto the trailer like you can with ours. And because their top rail is structural, even if you cut it off, you'd be severely compromising the structural integrity and payload capacity of their trailer. Our trailer frame supports the full 2,000-pound payload in its base flatbed configuration. Most other trailers also have a permanently attached fold-up rear ramp. Similar to the top rails, this ramp prevents fork loading from behind. It also creates a significant amount of drag at higher speeds. Even with the mesh skin on the ramp, this acts as a giant sail in the back of your trailer as you drive down the road. You won't have that problem with the Haulmaster trailer. With the optional ramp and ramp storage accessories, you simply tuck the ramps away under the deck, no added drag. That unique frame design also allows us to offer our wraparound accessory rail system. The base trailer comes with 4 tie downs that you can attach anywhere on the frame using standard strut channel nuts that come included. The frame design also allows us to offer integrated wiring. There are no wires hanging down or exposed for potential damage underneath the trailer. All the wiring tucks away inside the channels, and we even include rail covers that snap into place to seal everything up and give it a nice clean look. Our lights are also recessed into the frame to protect them and your knees from impacts, something you won't see anywhere else. Now you might be asking yourself, why should I buy a trailer that I have to assemble? And I'll give you one powerful reason: yard rot. What is yard rot? Yard rot is weathering you see on brand new trailers from sitting outside in the elements. Any pre-assembled trailer you'll find has been sitting, usually for months outside, at the manufacturer, then at the dealer. Pre-assembled trailers are also welded together. This means there are lap joints all around the trailer that have a void between the two parts. When the manufacturer paints or powder coats the trailer, they aren't able to coat inside those voids. Once the trailer sees moisture, which it will as it sits outside for a lot, these voids will rust and you'll get staining down the trailer. All of this means your brand new trailer from the other guys is already rusting and weathering significantly. The clock started ticking on the life of that trailer even before you bought it. But because the Haulmaster custom trailer is kitted, each part is powder coated individually for complete protection, and it'll arrive looking exactly as it did the day it was manufactured. Your new trailer will look new and be better protected to stay looking new for longer. In the assembly, we've made that super simple. All you need is a few simple tools to assemble the entire trailer. No drilling, welding, cutting, painting. Even the wiring is completely plug and play. There's no soldering or crimping. Just plug the modular wire harness together and connect to wherever you place a light. It's really that simple. And perhaps the best benefit of our trailer is that the modular design means you can reconfigure it as often as you need. Need to pick up some cargo that needs to be fork loaded for the weekend? You can remove the top rails, pick up your cargo, bring it home, and have the top rails back on for work Monday. Lastly, I'd like to talk about our wheels. The Haulmaster Custom comes with 13-inch radial tires. Unlike the bias ply tires that come on many of our competitors, these radial tires are rated for highway speeds and will last a lot longer. Those tires are protected by these unique replaceable polymer fenders. Most other utility trailers on the market have welded on steel fenders. You've probably seen that those fenders crease, rust, dent. And if you decide you finally had enough and you want to replace them, you have to cut them off, weld new ones on, and then repaint. Our polymer fenders won't dent or rust. Engineered from high-strength polymer, these fenders can take most impacts you'd typically see in normal use. If you do manage to break one, replacing it requires just removing 4 bolts in a few minutes. As you can see, the Haulmaster Custom 5x10 utility trailer is not your ordinary trailer. It's much, much better. So stop by your local Harbor Freight, pick one up for yourself, and finally have exactly the trailer you want for less.